Just a quick little reminder, guys, head down into the description below this video to check out all of the cool tools that I use in my repair shop. You might find something that'll be useful to you, and you'll be helping support my channel. Hey, if there's anything else you would like for me to include in my little tool list, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, thank you everyone for your support. Hello everybody, once again, Tim with Tim's Computer Repair. Today in this video, I'm going to be taking you along for the ride because I need to strip this ROG Republic of Gamers ASUS laptop down and change the thermal paste and blow out any dust or anything that's in the ductwork there of the fans and what have you. Customer is complaining of low FPS and says all he wants done is thermal paste changed and blow out dust from inside the computer. So, and that's all he wants. I'm not going to test anything to see if there's any temperature changes or anything like that. So I figured I'd fire up the camera and take you guys along for the ride. This is model GX531G, Republic of Gamers laptop. So let's get started. Let's shut this down here. Now, if you notice, first thing off the bat is there's a panel here on the back. And we're going to see if we can figure out why they have a panel and what's underneath it. The panel here requires removal of two Phillips head screws here. Oddly enough, the casing is put together with hex head screws. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but okay, ASUS, whatever. Let's just start off by removing those Phillips screws here. Wait. Okay, so I just kind of pushed up this way on this panel, and it looked like it has released. Yep, it's released that back panel there, and oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, I would say he's got some, that looks like, it's brown like tobacco. Yeah, that's tobacco. I'm going to stop on this job, guys. Yep, I'm going to stop right here on this job. See the brown? See how it's all brown like that? That's tobacco. You see here where he's kind of taken off the... Yeah, I mean, you could blow that all you want to. It's not going to come off. This is where I'm going to stop right here. See there? Look at it. You can put all the air you want to on that. It's not moving. Look. See that? That stuff is not going anywhere. So this guy obviously smokes tobacco or something of that nature, some type of a maybe flavored cigarette or whatever. Yeah, and if it's all caked up around and inside his ductwork here, I'm never going to get that out with just compressed air. So yeah, I'm going to deny this job. So that's a heck of a video. Yeah, he's been in this computer. Yeah, so, well, that's going to be it for me. No good. Not going to do it. He's been in here. Oh, definitely. Nope. All right, guys. Well, there you go. Anytime I get a desktop or a laptop in my shop and they want me to It's funny how they start that out. They want me to, oh, you know, can you clean out the dust in my computer? Oh, well, sure I can. No problem. I'll pay you to clean the dust out of my computer. Oh, sure. Yeah, and the first thing I'm thinking in my head is, why can't you just blow the dust out of your computer, right? I mean, okay, some people just, they don't want to do it, fine. But there's a lot of underlying reasons, and this, as most of the time turns out, and I even asked them, you know, I can do it for I can give them my fee, and I tell them, but if it has anything to do with tobacco or smoke like this, because it's very sticky, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. So, and in this case, I'm not going to do it. This stuff gets stuck and sticks around everything that it blows through. So this is as far as I go. Actually, you know, he wanted me to take pictures, so I'm going to take pictures of this too. So, yep. There you go. That was a funny little quick video. Listen, any of you guys who, if you're just starting off in this industry, deny those jobs. Deny the jobs where you have the dust that's all stuck and sticky and brown like tobacco. He probably is running hot. Probably is. But I'm not his guy to get this thing going, man. I'm not. So I'm going to call him by the end of the day today and tell him to forget about it. Yep, it's his own damn fault. Smoking up a storm, gaming. Yep, that is one of the downfalls of that. We'll just close this guy back up. I guess that ended up being a pretty short video there, didn't it? Crazy. All right. Tim's Computer Repair. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, why don't you head right down below here, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. That would be really awesome. I have much more computer repair videos coming your way. There's also a bell you can click for to get notifications for my videos. I really appreciate everybody's support. And as usual, everyone, until next time, see you soon.